Have you ever wondered how to make money online with just your phone and without any initial investment? Welcome to a world where your smartphone isn't just a device, but a potential income stream. With the digital age in full swing, the possibilities are endless. You can earn income from the comfort of your couch, on the bus, or even while waiting in line at the grocery store. In this video, we'll guide you through simple steps to start your online money-making journey. In this digital age, earning money from the comfort of your home has become a reality. The internet, once a luxury, is now a necessity, and it has revolutionized the way we work and live. It has opened up a plethora of opportunities for anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection. The rise of technology has made it easier than ever to make money online. From gig economy jobs to starting your own online business, the possibilities are endless. You don't need a fancy degree or a hefty investment. All you need is a good idea, a little bit of skill, and a whole lot of determination. Technological advancements like mobile applications and online platforms have simplified the process further, creating a level playing field for everyone. Whether you're a student looking to make some extra cash or a stay-at-home parent wanting to contribute to the family income, there's something for everyone. With the right tools and guidance, anyone can turn their smartphone into a money-making machine. First things first, you need to know about the platforms that can help you earn money online. One of the most accessible avenues to start with is freelancing websites. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer a vast array of opportunities for folks with all sorts of skills. Whether you're a whiz at graphic design, a wordsmith who can craft compelling content, or a tech guru who can code like a pro, these platforms have a space for you. Simply create a profile, highlight your skills, and start bidding on projects that match your expertise. Next up, we have content creation platforms. These are platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. If you have a knack for entertaining or educating people, these platforms could be your goldmine. You can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and even fan donations. So, if you've got a unique hobby, a passion for storytelling, or a talent that sets you apart, why not share it with the world? Then there's the world of e-commerce. Websites such as eBay, Etsy, and Amazon provide a marketplace for practically anything you can think of. If you're skilled at making handcrafted items, have a collection of vintage pieces, or even if you're just good at finding bargains to resell, these platforms could be your ticket to making money online. There's also a growing number of apps that let you earn money from your smartphone. From completing surveys to testing apps, delivering groceries to renting out your car, there's an app out there for almost every money-making venture you can imagine. Of course, it's also important to have the right tools at your disposal. This could be as simple as a reliable internet connection and a functioning computer or smartphone. But depending on the route you choose, you might need specific software or equipment. For instance, if you're venturing into graphic design, you'll need a design software like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Understanding these platforms is the first step towards making money online. With the right tools and platforms and a little bit of determination, you're well on your way to turning your online money-making dreams into reality. Now that you know about the platforms, it's time to identify your skills. You see, the world of online entrepreneurship is like a vast ocean of opportunities, but to navigate through it, you need a compass. That compass is your skill set. The beauty of the digital world is that it embraces a wide array of skills. It doesn't matter if you're a painter or a programmer, a writer or a web designer, a musician or a marketer, there's a place for you in the online economy. The key is to identify what you're good at, and more importantly, what you enjoy doing. Think about what you naturally excel at. Is it creating visually appealing graphics? Then graphic designing could be your ticket. Are you the one who pens heartfelt messages on greeting cards? You might have a future in content writing or copywriting, or maybe you have an uncanny ability to make sense of numbers. If so, there's a demand for data analysts and financial consultants. But don't just stop at what you're good at. Consider what you're passionate about. Because when you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work. It's more fulfilling, and you're more likely to stick with it in the long run. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to hone them. Like a blacksmith forging a sword, you need to constantly refine your skills to keep them sharp. There are countless online resources, many free, to help you do just that. Online courses, webinars, ebooks, and tutorials, all at your fingertips. Remember, in the digital world, your skills are your currency. They're what you trade in exchange for income. So, it's important to invest time and effort in identifying and developing your skills. But what if you have multiple skills? That's even better. The more skills you have, the more opportunities you can seize. You can combine different skills to create a unique offering. For instance, if you're good at writing and have a knack for social media, you could offer social media content creation services. Identifying your skills is crucial as it will determine your success in the online money-making world. So, take a moment to reflect on your skills and start your journey towards online entrepreneurship. After identifying your skills, the next step is to build an online presence. Now, you might wonder, what does it mean to build an online presence? It's about creating a virtual footprint. It's your digital business card, your online reputation. It's how you're perceived when others Google you or look you up on social media. Building an online presence is like setting up a shop front in the digital world. It's where potential clients or customers can find you, learn about you, and decide if they want to engage with your services or buy your products. So, how do you create an attractive profile on various platforms? First, you need to choose the right platform. If you're a graphic designer, for example, you might want to showcase your work on a platform like Instagram or Behance. If you're a writer, a blog or Medium could be your best bet. Next, let's talk about your profile. It should be clear, concise, and consistent across platforms. Use a professional profile picture, write a compelling bio that highlights your skills and experiences, and include a link to your portfolio or your website if you have one. But hey, don't just stop at creating a profile. It's equally important to showcase your skills. Share your work, post tutorials, write blog posts, whatever it takes to demonstrate your expertise. The more you share, the more visible you become. Now, attracting clients or customers is a bit tricky, but not impossible. Start by networking. Join groups, participate in discussions, and reach out to potential clients. Remember, people are more likely to do business with someone they know and trust. Another effective strategy is to use SEO or search engine optimization. By using the right keywords in your profile and posts, you can increase your visibility on search engines, making it easier for potential clients to find you. Finally, don't forget to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and be active on your chosen platforms. Engagement builds trust and fosters a sense of community, which can lead to more opportunities. A strong online presence is key to attracting opportunities and making money online. Remember, consistency and patience are your best friends in this journey. As we delve deeper into this digital gold rush, it's crucial to understand that making money online is not an overnight process. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and it's the steady who often win this race. Imagine this as planting a seed. You wouldn't expect a seed to transform into a full-grown tree overnight, would you? It requires time, care, and yes, consistency and patience. Just like that seed, your online endeavors need to be nurtured consistently. Whether it's learning a new skill, building your online presence, or engaging with your audience, each step you take brings you closer to your goal. Now let's talk about patience. In this age of instant gratification, it's easy to be disheartened when results don't show up immediately. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. It's important to keep faith in the process and understand that the fruits of your labor will materialize, but they require time. And here's the magic. When consistency meets patience, that's when the real growth happens. Just like the tree that grows from the seed, your consistent efforts, watered with patience, will eventually flourish into a successful online venture. So, keep your eyes on the prize and remember that every step, no matter how small, is a step forward. Consistency and patience will eventually lead you to success. So, are you ready to start your online money-making journey? We've explored how to leverage the power of the digital era, using tools and platforms that are right at your fingertips, and all for free. We've delved into identifying your unique skills and talents, those gems that can be polished and showcased to the world. We've discussed the importance of building a robust online presence, a digital storefront, where you can display your skills and engage with potential clients. And we've emphasized the significance of consistency and patience. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your online empire be. You've got to keep at it, day in and day out, slowly but surely building your online presence, honing your skills, and making connections. The digital world is vast and full of opportunities. Don't wait any longer. Start your online money-making journey today and unlock endless opportunities right from your phone.